Is USFR a good investment? This is the WisdomTree Floating Rate Treasury Fund. USFR is an ETF that tracks short-term rates and resets to the weekly Treasury 3-month T-bill auction rate with a spread. So it seeks to provide income without market volatility. It has an ultra-short duration profile that seeks to take advantage of flat and even in some cases inverted yield curves. Its underlying exposure to the Treasury floating rate notes are fully backed by the US government, and it's tax-exempt income for state and local. This investment was created back in 2014. There are currently $18.73 billion in assets under management. The management expense ratio is 0.15%. It currently costs $50.36 to buy one share. Over 4 million shares trade each day. The bid-ask spread is 0.02%. The 10-year beta of this fund is negative 0.01. The portfolio turnover rate is 157%. The 10-year Sharpe ratio is negative 0.26. And the trailing 12-month yield is 4.42%, and these distributions are paid monthly. Alright, so let's build a 60-40 portfolio with this investment. And we're going to use Invest USA to help us do this. It's currently available on the iPhone and the iPad. So for the fixed income part of our portfolio, we're going to use 7% JPIB for international bonds, 10% VCIT for corporate bonds, 7% IEF for some treasury bonds, 12% IAUM for some gold bullion, and 4% USFR to complete the global fixed income portfolio. For the equities, we're going to use 10% VWO for emerging markets, 12% DFIV for some international value, VGT for some tech, XMMO for a mid-cap momentum fund, and QQQM for some US large cap. So here's the 60-40 portfolio built out using Portfolio Visualizer's backtesting function, and we can see back to January of 2022. This portfolio has a compound annual growth rate of 9.71% and a better Sharpe ratio than the S&P 500. Invest USA. Download it.